Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Caliber Home Loans. At Caliber Wholesale, our products make us different, and our people make us great. Caliber Home Loans Incorporated is an industry product leader with a full offering of core conventional and government products, coupled with our innovative non-agency portfolio lending products. Contact us to learn more.
Welcome to Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib at MBS Highway. This is brought to you exclusively by Mortgage News Network and also by our friends at Caliber Home Loans. They've got so many options for you. One of them is to help foreign nationals. That could be a big boost to you in getting additional transactions and telling your realtors about. So what a week for interest rates. Highly volatile in the wake of the Brexit. We are seeing stock markets try to recover and stabilize and rally. But you wonder, is that for real? Is that a head fake due to short covering because so many people went short? And then once the markets went down, thought that the markets may continue along those lines and surprised to see the stabilization. Then as they covered their shorts, stocks just increased dramatically. That's a possibility. You wonder, because what is being celebrated in the stock market exactly? Same problems existed before Brexit exist today. So there's high price to earnings ratios. There are some concerns with earnings declining over the past 7 quarters. Not exactly a stock market that is inspiring in my opinion, but still, is there any alternative? Some people realizing that maybe there could be some alternatives in cash, in commodities like gold, or of course, the one that we've been talking about and has been enormously successful, real estate. So just some things to think about. Perhaps this could be a head fake. And if that's the case, then bonds will continue to benefit. That's one of the things you have to admire about the behavior of bonds of late. In the face of a rising stock market, mortgage bonds really have held in there, and in fact, they've improved. You know, don't look now, but the 10-year Treasury, remember we talked about our target of 1.39%. Told you that over and over again. A lot of people wrote in and said, hey, is that really possible? The 10-year actually really get to 1.39%? Well, we're within a whisker of that right now. Who knows, this week we could see those levels reached. A lot will depend on the news, and we do have a lot of news this week with the Fed minutes. Now, historically, Fed minutes have not been kind to mortgage bonds, so we'll have to take a look at that. Although this time out, it might be a little bit different. Remember, during the Fed meeting, which these minutes were taken from, we had even the most hawkish of Fed members, like Esther George, who had dissented in the past, did not dissent. So Fed members really kind of taking a step back here and fearful that we could be in a position where a Fed hike could be detrimental. I don't think we're going to see a Fed hike for quite some time. And let's see if the minutes bear that out, although there might be some jawboning. Now, in addition to the Fed minutes, it is Jobs Week. And Jobs Week, always one of the most important reports. We did get one of the components that we know is going to come in strong, and that is initial claims. Initial claims during what they use as the sample week was a very strong number. But we'll see, do we get a snapback in jobs, or do we now have a new normal where job creations are much lower? The past few levels of job creations have been awful. You might remember the last one was 38,000 job creations, but there was about 59,000 in negative revisions to the past 2 months. So net, that jobs report showed a loss of over 20,000 jobs. This is a report that we had seen coming in with over 200,000 jobs not too long ago per month in gains. So something is definitely happening there. We'll see if last month's number was kind of a one-off or if there's a change in the trend. If that's the case, expect mortgage bonds to do well, but we'll have to watch for a snapback. And you should be following this every day, telling your customers about this, and using the pieces that we have with an MBS Highway to communicate this to your customers and stay ahead of your competition, way ahead of your competition. Just go ahead and click the link and sign up for a free trial at mbshighway.com. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.
Your reputation with your referring business partners depends largely on the lenders you recommend. This is why you'll want to choose a partner who shares your commitment to customer service. At Caliber Home Loans, our products make us different and our people make us great. A leading product innovator. In addition to our core conventional, government, and jumbo loans, we've created our own non-agency portfolio lending products. These enable you to assist creditworthy clients who can demonstrate the ability to repay. To learn more, visit us online at caliberwholesale.com.
This is Mortgage News Network.